This 2018 Keystone Passport Ultra Light Grand Touring 3350BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Keystone is 37 feet 7 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 11, slide-out, external shower, microwave, oven, smoke detector, TV, awning, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, DVD player, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Keystone Passport Ultra Light Grand Touring 3350BH is 6,550 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.